We're in Morgan, Utah, and this is a Union Pacific Extended Vision caboose. I've never seen one that appears to have some sort of covered platform on each end. It's different to what I've seen, but it's a beautiful little area right here. They have a little train station. Looks like it's a visitor center of some sort. We'll walk over there and check it out. It appears from the trucks, at least the trucks are made in 1979. But otherwise I don't know that much about it. There's not any kind of placard. Yeah, I'm not really sure I've seen a deck like that on the back. Maybe I'm just uninformed, but that is different from what I've seen before.